Hi, boys and girls. Are we ready for another story? Today, we're going to read The Bear Snores On. Okay, so everybody sit quietly. Are we ready? In a cave in the woods. Turn this so we can see. In his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Do you see him? He's right there. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winters howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Could you snore? Let me hear you snore. Good job. An itty bitty. What's this? That's a mouse. Pitter pot, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Could you snore? Let me hear you. Good job. Two glowing eyes sneak a peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's here, Anna?" What is that? That's a rabbit. Hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Rabbit. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse slips, wee slurps, Rabbit burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. Can you snore? Good job. A badger, look, that's a badger, scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Can you snore? Good job. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Lighten the fire. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. Can you snore? Good job. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look, they're having a party. Hare strokes the fire. Mouse stirs the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. We have to make sure and tell that bear to use his elbow sleeve. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. He doesn't look very happy. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. and he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans. Oh no, what is Bear doing? Is he crying? Poor Bear. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Look at all those animals now, they're sound asleep. The end. I hope everybody's healthy. Remember, cover those coughs and sneezes with your elbow sleeve. I miss you.